Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing chapter 5 of Indian Economic Development of class 12th. In my previous lecture, we have defined and discussed physical and human capital. Today, we are going to discuss sources of human capital formation. As I have already mentioned in my whiteboard, sources of human capital formation, that is education, health, on-the-job training, migration and information. So today I have decided to discuss sources of human capital formation on education and health sector. Starting with education. Proper utility of manpower depends on the system of education and training of people. Labor skill of an educated person is more than that of an uneducated person, which enables him to generate more income than the uneducated person. Economists have stressed the need for expanding educational opportunities in a nation as it escalates the development process. Spending on education by individual is similar to spending on capital goods by companies. Individuals invest in education to increase their future income and raise the living standard. Education contributes to economic growth because education confers higher earning capacity on people. It gives better social standing and pride. Not only this, it enables one to make the better choices in his life. It provides knowledge to understand the changes taking place in the society. It also stimulates innovation, discoveries and exploration. It also facilitates adoption of new technology. Now, expenditure on health. Health expenditure is a source of human capital formation as it directly increases the supply of healthy labor forces. Poor health and undernourishment adversely affect the quality of manpower. A sick labor without access to medical facilities is compelled to absent from work, and there he or she loses his income, and also there is the reduction in the production. Therefore, the expenditure on health is important to build and maintain productive labor force and to improve quality of life of people in the society. Adequate food and proper nourishment to people along with the adequate health and sanitation facilities leads to the qualitative improvement in human capital. Forms of health expenditure. The various forms of health expenditure include preventive, which is known as vaccination, curative, this is medical intervention during illness, then social medicine, that is spread of health literacy, provision of clean drinking water and good hygiene and sanitation facilities. So once again I am going to recap today's topic. First of all, what is human capital formation? Human capital formation refers to the development of abilities, skills, talents among the population of the country. It is the process of acquiring and increasing the number of persons who have the skills, education and experience. Human capital formation is associated with the investment in man and his development as creative and productive resources. There are basically 5 sources of human capital formation which you are seeing in my whiteboard. Expenditure on education, it increases future income and raises the living standard. Expenditure on health, it helps to build productive labor force and improve quality of life. On the job training, it increases the skill and efficiency of workers. Expenditure on migration, it helps to increase earning in migrated place. Last, expenditure on information, it helps to make decision in investment in human capital. So these were the 5 sources of human capital formation, and in today's class we have discussed about health and education. Education contributes economic growth because a skilled labor of an educated person is more than that of an uneducated person, which enables him to generate more income than the uneducated person. And talking about to health, forms of health expenditure, the various forms of health expenditure include preventive, that is vaccination, curative, that is medical intervention of during illness, social medicine, provision of clean drinking water, good sanitation, and cleanliness. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice